Good morning, everyone. It's your girl Cindy. Welcome back. And it is Saturday, and it's let's see here. It is 5:52 in the morning, and look how low the river is. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like fog and steam up. It's really cool. And it's the AM. Over there is really cool too. Check that out. Ooh. The sun is just coming up over the horizon. And I'm here to bring you some morning walking videos. Now, I've been in quite a dilemma lately. And nothing like life thing. It's more to do with the internet. And then all of a sudden, like, I was doing my shorts. I was doing shorts videos to get viewers, to get subscribers and stuff. And then all of a sudden, like, I keep doing the same thing. And then all of a sudden, I get no views, no nothing. And that's kind of tweaking me out a little bit. So my energy is a little low. I just got to keep on keeping on, I guess. Oh my gosh, look at that. The sun is just coming up over the horizon. OMG. Look at that. I know I'm supposed to be walking, but I can't resist it. I'll probably take you on the river road. When I first got here, I saw little, like, fishes swimming away in junk. But, look at that. That's beautiful. So, like my video, subscribe to my video, and or subscribe to my channel, and come with me on my walks. We'll have some fun, and we'll chit chat, and I'll take you around town and stuff. Hopefully we'll see an animal. Okay, so I'll tell you later. Okay, bye. Good morning, everyone. I'm back, and it is a freezing morning. It's cold. It's 50 degrees. It went from super warm to freezing in the morning. I stepped outside. Oh my gosh, I had shorts on, and I stepped outside, and I was like, OMG. I closed the door, went upstairs, and got some pants because it's freezing. The sun is beautiful. Oh, check out the water. Stupid bird. Isn't that so cool? I've been freaking stressing out about my YouTube videos. I know I'm not supposed to when it's sort of like a side gig and stuff like that, but how do these kids do that? I mean, they can do, like, are they that hyper? I don't understand. The time they're a kid to, like, now, like, and they're in high school and stuff like that, it's like internet. This is what's trending. This is this and this is that. And get on the internet and show everybody what you can do. And this is the trends. And oh my gosh, it's just holy hanners. Very hyper You wonder why people are so hyper, OCD. I just don't understand that. I like it better when it's word of mouth, what people are seeing physically. Oh, there is an eagle. Hopefully he stays there until I get a little closer, because I'd love to get him on video. And there he is. Oh, that is so cool. There's George again, looking for his breakfast. Like and subscribe. He's beautiful. I hope he stays for a little while. Oh, he sees me. Oh, you see the feather? Oh, that's not a feather. He's just chillaxing, soaking in the sun. All he needs is a margarita. I hope he has his sunscreen on. That was cool. That eagle was right, I'll show you. He's right there. See him? He's right there. That's how close he is to me. Oh, he's flying away. I got him just right in the right time. Oh. That's the eagle flying away. I'm glad I turned the camera because it has him like flying away and junk. Oh, that was cool. Today we are going on a little trip and we're gonna go to the farmer's market. Well, not really a market. We're pretty much just gonna go to a farm and get some vegetables and hopefully some potatoes. I'm telling you, potatoes down here are like expensive. Now I'm from Aroostook County, which is further north, and that is potato country. And let me tell you, potatoes are like, you can get them everywhere for, not very expensive. Down here, it's expensive. You get a 5-pound bag for like $4 or $5. I mean, really? And the potatoes are teeny weeny. Oh, man. My father worked in a potato house, and he used to bring over potatoes all the time. So we get potatoes all the time, so. I go like around the area and stuff and go exploring. There's a little town called Lee. Boondocks out there, nothing but trees out there. There's camps and junk like that, and so we're gonna go to a couple lakes and stuff like that, see if we can find some animals. Hopefully we can see some moose. Now that would be it right there. That would be great if we could see some animals and stuff. So, and I'll post that tomorrow because I'm gonna be I'm not gonna do an afternoon walk. So I'm gonna do a super long morning walk and then post this at my normal time. Everything that I see over on my trip, I'll post tomorrow. So I'll do like a short morning walk and then sprinkle in some whatever I see tomorrow. You know what I mean? I've been walking a mile. It's 6:08 in the morning. Oh, look the way that is. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I've been walking for 20 minutes, and I've been walking for a mile. Look how that, see how that mist is? It's reflecting off the sun. That is so cool. Let me go back a little bit. Yeah. So, it's a pretty cold morning. I'm on, you guessed it, the river road. You know what though? YouTubers have been saying like, oh, I can't post this on YouTube and post something else on TikTok. And I think I did that by accident. Because I did like a short video, and then like I did YouTube, and I'm like, oh look, I'm here at this whatever, and then I stopped it, and then I did a short, because sometimes I do shorts for the beginning of the video and stuff, and then I posted it on TikTok. And then of course there's music stuff. So that's a pain. They don't make it very easy for people, do they? Look at the steam. It looks so freaking cool. Oh, that looks so cool. How the steam is on there. Oh, that looks so cool. I don't care what anyone says. This phone does crazy good videos. Not unless you have like one of them uber super duper friggin' good cameras, the ones that cost thousands. And then you have like different, oh man. You gonna come visit me? You're awful sweet looking. What are you doing? Hey kitty. Oh, you gonna come visit me? Oh, awesome. Don't come visit me. Come here. You're okay. I won't hurt you. Well, aren't you the sweetest little kitty? Hi. Aren't you the sweetest little kitty? Oh, am I going too fast? Sorry. Okay. You want to come visit me? Oh, that's a good kitty. No, that's a good kitty. Aren't you cute? Aren't you the cutest little kitty? Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. You're the cutest little girl. That's a good kitty. What a sweet little kitty right there. They have quite a few cats, but I'm surprised she came to me. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. So, upload a video. Hopefully you'll get it. So, bye. These apples are good. Look. These apples right here. Check these apples out. These apples are freaking awesome. I know there's a hole in that one. But yeah. I'm almost to the end of this road. So I wanted to show you that apple tree. There's another one over here. I wonder if those apples are any good too. That man right there, he lives in this house. He said that I just missed a deer. He said that there was 2 deer out in this field around 6 o'clock this morning. So you know what, he goes, man, they've been coming around. So you know what that means? As soon as it's daylight, like when it just peaks daylight, my butt's gonna be down here so I can find them. He said they were just in this field, and he lives right here. He said he's lived here all his life. That kitten that I just petted, yo, she's got little kittens. Look how freaking cute they are. Look. Oh, look, there's more. That one looks like Sasha. Oh my gosh. They are big too. Oh my goodness. Is one of them gonna come see me? I hope they don't come in the road. That one's got blue eyes. That one looks just like Sasha Kitty. We have a cat that looks just like her. Oh, look at the blue eyes. Oh my goodness. Look how precious. With Mama Cat, she's watching me. She's like, I'll pet you once, but I don't trust you around my babies. It's all right. I won't hurt them. Oh. No. They are so adorable. Look how cute them kittens are. Well, I take it Mama isn't fixed. How friggin' cute. How friggin' cute are they? I could sit here and watch them all day. Oh, I didn't do it. They looked up at me. Oh, they are so adorable. Oh my god, those little kittens are so cute. Oh my word. They are so freaking cute when they're small. Oh.